Only 21,000 down payment and this baby is yours. Let's go! As you walk in, you're greeted by a bright, open concept layout, exactly what buyers are looking for right now in Edmonton. Living area flows seamlessly into the dining space and kitchen, making it perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Natural light fills the space, giving the home that warm and white feel. And honestly man, this is something that's hard to find in many duplexes right now. The kitchen is functional, modern, and designed for real life, with plenty of cabinet space, a clean layout, and room to upgrade if you ever want to add your own personal touch. Whether you're cooking daily or hosting friends, this space just works. Outside, you get a private backyard space, perfect for summer barbecues, relaxing evenings, or letting kids and pets enjoy the outdoors. If you just moved into Edmonton or you're planning to buy your first home in the city and you don't know exactly which neighborhood is gonna fit all your needs, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be happy to assist you on every step of this journey. So comment below or text me, give me a phone call, even at 9 p.m. I'm gonna answer that. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, which is a huge advantage for families, remote workers, or even investors. Also on the second floor, you're gonna find the laundry room that is one of the most underestimated advantages in the house, because you don't have to really carry baskets from the basement upstairs. That's really huge. Primary bedroom offers enough space for a full setup, while the additional rooms can easily be used as kid bedroom, guest rooms, or even home office. Also, what you're gonna like about this one is you have walk-in wardrobe that has a lot of space. Lots of space for you and your husband clothes. Mostly for your wife though, right? We all know that trick. Also, it has an ensuite that is pretty huge because you get all your privacy not ruined by anybody else. And don't forget that this duplex is listed only for $430,000 and has way more potential than you'd expect at this price point. The bathroom on the second floor, the layout is practical and efficient. It's designed to maximize space while still giving you comfort and privacy. This is exactly the kind of setup for the first-time buyers or people who are searching in Edmonton. 2 rooms on the second floor are also quite a good size that you can have it as a 2 separate bedroom or office if you need. And here's where the real opportunity comes in, the unfinished basement. This gives you a blank canvas to create additional living space, a rental suite, or gym, or even increase the future value of the home. In today's market, having that kind of potential is a major advantage.